So one of the issues I've been contending with for years is dealing with electromagnetic fields. They're damaging us at an enormous rate. They're destroying us at the same level. Every day we make new cells, and all these EMFs with their positive and negative charges around us in the air everywhere, they're destroying our cells while they're trying to repair, so we age faster and we have more health problems. Because now I found something that, quite honestly, it's a miracle to me. It's something that affects us internally. It helps protect us from all these electronics all around us, but inside our body. So I call it a cellular force field, and that's called Phytozon. So her hand's on the Wi-Fi router. We're going to do the same thing. So hold strong for me. Try again. So she goes very weak. That Wi-Fi router is putting out so much electromagnetic fields, so strong, that if you're near it, it'll make you weak, but if you touch it, it's going to make you very weak. What that's doing is it tells us it's draining your body's energy. It's pulling energy out of your body, so that's why she went weak there. Now, so she can't get me down. Okay, and I'm going to put my hand on it, and I'm going to try my hardest. Right then. It actually hurts my shoulder. So this is a smart meter, it's electrical box. Let's go over here, just go ahead and touch the smart meter. And hold strong for me. Try again. So she's got no strength at all. So now I'm going to touch it. I know what's going to happen. Try again. I literally have lost all my strength, you guys. So here we have a skeptic, Sean. He is a skeptic. We're going to grab 35 pounds. Okay. And he's going to hold his arm up straight out in front of you. And I'm going to put the weight in his hand. So, okay, he's able to resist it. So just that quick one. Now come on over here. Now we're going to put this up again. That feel a little weaker, harder?
Yeah.
I
couldn't hold it up. That's the hardest part right there, is staying straight. But to getting there is...
Then you can use other muscles.
Yeah.
Good. Okay, so I'm going to test a couple people right now that don't know what's going on or what I'm doing. And hold strong again.
Oh, jeez.
So hold your hand back on the Wi-Fi router. I'm going to use one finger. Hold strong.
Oh,
So no strength at all. So there's step one, okay? Now we'll stop. We'll do one more person. Put your right hand on that Wi-Fi router. And put it on the Wi-Fi. And hold strong.
And I don't know if you can see, he's only got a finger on that too.
One finger. Hold strong. He's a big guy. So that's how much the Wi-Fi routers are sucking the energy from our bodies, and we're around them all day. So we'll see what happens later. Stay tuned. So we're back here at the smart meter. He's taken some Phytozon. This is actually a few days later. It's a lot of weight. And hold. Oh, that's huge. That is huge. That was way better. You catch that? It's a miracle. Phytozon. We took one capsule each half hour ago. Go ahead and hold the box there, Hank. And hold strong. Try again. 10,000 times stronger. Let me try now too, my turn. So, still a smart meter, still on, nothing's changed. See that? I got my strength back. So we're back in the house. We got the Wi-Fi router here, so I'm sure you can see that. You see that, Tucker?
yeah.
Okay, so we're gonna check her strength while she's holding it. Hold strong. Strong as can be, very strong. Now I'm gonna switch places. Same thing for me, so I'm gonna hold the Wi-Fi router, and she's gonna check my strength. Very easy for me, so much easier. We are going to be back here to test on the smart meter here. Sean and I have not taken a Phytozon today. We took one yesterday. Both of us took one yesterday. So we're going to do a little test here now. So hold her arm up and pull strong. And I'm pushing hard on her. She's strong as could be. There is no weakness to that smart meter now. So now we'll do me, same thing. I'll put my hand on the smart meter. I'll hold up. And it's easy for me. Because it strengthens the body at a certain level so well that it helps us with all these EMFs from these Wi-Fi routers and things like that. Still, go ahead and put your hand on the Wi-Fi router. And hold strong. Try again. She's just as strong. Before she was really weak. So that is basically the Phytozon force field on the cellular level. Now we can put your hand on the router. And hold strong. He's just as strong. It's as simple as could be. So again, Phytozon force field on his cellular level.